There we go. What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to be fishing for alligator gar per usual. That's basically what I do in the summer right now. I'm having a lot of fun right now targeting these big gar. So per usual, got some bait. Today I actually caught some menhaden for bait. I got some bait out of Lake Pontchartrain, which is brackish water. So these menhaden come in when it's warm during the year, I believe. And so we're going to try those out. If those don't work, we're going to use some mullet and hopefully we can catch a monster today. I'll see y'all when we get there. Guys, look at this. I've never seen one of these before. That is a Rio Grande cichlid, I believe. And these are invasive, but look how pretty that fish is. I've never seen one in person. Look at that. All right, guys, so we're throwing out big chunk of mullet, 1/0 live bait hook. Here we go. All right, guys, we got a fish right now on the really big piece of mullet, and judging by the way this thing pulled line out the reel, he's got to be pretty big. So we're gonna let him take it a little bit and then go ahead and set the hook. All right, we're trying this instead. We got rigging floss, so the hook is exposed. And usually I never use rigging floss, but this is a really like thick bait and the hook was not going through it easily. So let's see if this will work and we can catch big fish. We got one on, and look at the bubbles coming from this fish. Oh, look at the bubbles coming from this fish. I think, oh, we got one on both rods, guys. We walked down to see if we could find a better spot. We got one on each rod. Okay, this one's been on a long time. Holy smokes. Look how much line is gone. All right, we gotta set the hook on this fish for sure. Here we go. Got him. I got him. And he's off. Dang it, dude. Come on. Gosh. Okay. Oh man, I gotta set the hook on this one or he's gonna go under the bridge. And we'll for sure lose him. Dang it, dude. All right, gosh, I need to set the hook on this fish already because he's gonna take me under the bridge. I got him, but he's stuck. Come on, get out of there. He's stuck, come on. Get out of there, dude. Oh, he's out. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. Oh gosh, he had the bait for maybe 10 seconds. Come on, dude. Okay. Oh. Dude, I set the hook so unbelievably hard on this fish. Like, I put everything I had into it. I guess that's the golden ticket. That's a pretty big one. He probably still has some fight in him, so I need to be careful so he doesn't snap my line. Oh no, he got off. Oh, goodness gracious. I count that as a catch. So I'm gonna try to get this fish in fast before that one takes all my line out. So hopefully we can catch it first. There we go. Oh, dang it. Oh, God. Oh my goodness. He almost put me in the water. Get your ass over here. I'm not losing another one. Come on. Okay. That's what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh, the hook. It's right. It's like right there, dude. Yep, I knew it. I knew it. Dang. Guys, we got one on. We got one on both these rods actually. And this one is so far into that tunnel that it is ridiculous. If I can catch this fish, that'll be a miracle. There we go. Somehow caught that fish underneath that bridge. Huh? Yeah. Look at that, guys. Nice gar. All right, guys, it's the biggest one so far. This fish was actually way underneath that bridge, and I don't know how I got him out, but I did. So we're gonna go ahead, let him go, let him get bigger. Hopefully we see him another day. All right, guys, that concludes this video. Tough day of fishing, but we managed to get 2 on land, and I got 2 to the shore that I touched. I'll consider that a catch. But next time, I'm definitely gonna come more prepared with more bait and some water or Gatorade or something, because that was brutal. I feel like I would have been more patient on this fish and setting the hook if I was not super hot and dehydrated. So in 2 days, I'm actually going to Charleston, South Carolina for my birthday. I might try to get some fishing in. You know, might see some of that, maybe not. It just depends on what's going on. But when I get back, I got a new boat. And so this boat is, I think it's an 18-foot bass boat, and I got Mercury 24-stroke on the back. So it's gonna be a lot easier to get to my favorite fishing spots, and I'm gonna have a lot more content coming for you guys. So thank y'all for watching as always, and I'll see you guys in the next fishing video.